Hi everybody, welcome back to the Quarter Acre Homestead. We are preparing for a backpacking trip, and so today I'm going to tell you about our homemade Blackberry Cobbler that we love taking in the backcountry. It's all dehydrated, and we've been making it for about 15 years on various backpacking trips, and people always love it. Super simple to make, so we'll go over that today. Okay, so this Blackberry Cobbler, I've also made it with like peaches. You can basically do it with most any dried fruit, but let me just show you with blackberries. So you pick the blackberries, dehydrate them in either a food dryer, or you could do it in your oven at a low temperature, like 150 degrees or less. And then we put the blackberries in a Ziploc bag like this. And we actually got this recipe from a book. It's called Lip Smack and Vegetarian Backpacking, and I actually have a few recipes in this book, so I got a free copy when they published it, but definitely recommend it. It has a lot of cool recipes, and I'll put a link in the description. So basically put your dried blackberries and then sugar and different ingredients for like spices and to thicken the cobbler part. So that's this bag. And then the other bag is a flour mixture. We are gluten-free, so I have to make this with special ingredients like rice flour and sorghum flour, tapioca starch. You can either put lard or coconut oil in it. And so this is the biscuit part of the cobbler. And then when you're in the backcountry, I'll go ahead and put some videos in here showing you the process in the backcountry. But basically, I can't remember exactly how much water, but you put a certain amount of water in your pot and bring it to a boil, and then you dump this mixture in, which rehydrates the berries and starts thickening and bubbling and stuff. And after a few minutes, you add water to this bag and mix it up just in the bag. And then once it's all mixed up, kind of like a little thicker than a pancake batter, you cut a corner off the bag and you squeeze kind of like dumplings into the boiling berry mixture, and you turn your stove or make sure your campfire is a pretty low heat, and you put the lid on and you just let that simmer for like maybe 15 minutes and then check whether the biscuits are done, and that's it. So super lightweight, really delicious, better than any Mountain House or anything you could buy at the store. So definitely check this book out and try it, and let us know if you have any questions. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. God bless, and we'll see you next time.